Saturday morning, and well, the guys have finished the silage making just in time. They finished about 8 o'clock last night, and as you can see, it's tipping down rain now. So it's just as well we got it in when we did. But if you look in the clamp, it's pretty empty. Well, empty by our standards. And it's all neatly packed in there and rolled down, but you see we've got nearly 2 empty bays. And normally the silage would be out nearly to the front. So because of the dry weather in April, we've had quite a difference in the amount of cropping we've had. So I don't know what we're going to do quite, whether we're going to try and take some of the silage from the heifers and put it out for them, or whether we can, I don't know, do a second cut. Anyway, Tom's coming over in a minute. We're going to put the sheet on. Dad's just bringing the top sheet round.
I better tell you something. Right, yeah, take it bloody right on there.
We're pulling the sheet over now, try and make this completely airtight. I'm going to weigh it down after, tape it up and weigh it down afterwards, so that if we can keep the air out, it'll pickle rather than rot. Tom's just taping the joints up now, make sure that it's all completely airtight. There we go, we just finished putting the sheet on, that'll do for now. And we've got to weigh it down with a load of straw at the back and some more tyres at the front, but that'll wait for another day.